Good morning, good afternoon, my viewers and my subscribers. How are you today? God is good, remember, all the time. And let us give thanks unto the Lord. Give thanks unto God. All right? All right, my subscribers and my viewers, welcome back and board. Thank you for subscribing again. All right? This morning I'm going to clean my room. I'm going to hoover my room. As you can see, I have my hoover here. So I'm going to hoover it this morning. I'm going to show you how I clean the carpet. It's carpet on the floor. So I'm going to show you how I clean the carpet in the morning. Right, guys? Or whatever time I clean it. So this is my hoover here. I have it here. It's a small one, so I have it, so I use it to clean the carpet, right, guys? All right, so follow me, come follow me and see what I am doing. Okay, all right. So the room is a bit dark, guys, because outside is cloudy. It's like we're going to have rain. Oh, it's not turned off. Did not turn it off. Yeah, the Hoover did not turn off when she last used it. So, guys, the room, as I'm saying, is a bit dark. So it's still gonna work. All right, see how I turn on it now? And I do like this. I don't know if you can see. So this is how I clean my carpet. That's my garbage bin. You got to move this stuff, guys. Got to move them. Right, guys. So we have to clean our room. So I'm finished on this side now. So let me put back the chairs like this. I'm doing on this side now, guys. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, this is how I clean my room. This is how I clean my room, guys. And I have the other the other one that you put the water in to clean the carpet. So I have that one also. So when once in a while, I don't have to do it often, but once in a while, that's what I do. I put the water in it and I clean the carpet. Just like when you're washing the carpet, that's how I do it. But guys, you have to make it very dry. Can you see me? Right. The room is a bit dark. As I say, the outside is a bit cloudy. Like the rain is going to fall today. Right. So this is how I do my room. In the morning when I'm going to work, I don't have the time to do it. Okay, well, I just a sec. So I'm doing the tile now, guys. So, guys, I'm finished now. So I'm going to clean it. So I open here, and this is a good brand. And as I say, it's mostly for the carpet, but you can use it on the floor. If too much dust or too much dirt or whatever is on the floor, you can use it. But I mostly use the broom on the tile, but I just use it on the carpet most time. So I'm going to, this is how I clean it now. I take out this and I take out this duster. There's a duster in it. Wow, you can see lots of dirt. So each time I use it, I have to take out this and wash it, right? To keep it clean, I take it out and I wash it. Both of them, I wash them. And I also have to clean this up when I get the time. I don't have much time to clean, but I clean it. But you have, if you don't clean it, guys, it will stop work. You have to clean here. You notice lots of thread, in this part, so you have to clean it also. So you use something and you get these. You can use a brush and brush it out. But as time goes by, while using it, you'll have to clean it, guys. Right? So I'm going to clean it, this one now. So thanks for subscribing and thanks for watching me cleaning my room. When I'm using the other one, the Hoover, the one that comes with the water to clean the carpet, I'm going to show it to you how I use it, right? But because I am the person who holding the camera, you're not going to get it out that nice because I have to hold the camera and using this. So I'm going to clean it and let you see with the Hoover, with the water in it and the bleach and the disinfectant. I use it to clean the carpet. Okay, guys? And the same one, it dries it back up. So just keep watching my videos, guys, and let me know if how well am I doing. And again, I must say thanks for subscribing. Thanks for subscribing and let me know give me some ideas of some of the activity that I can do to continue with my YouTube. Guys, sometimes I get discouraged. And sometimes, guys, I run out of ideas, and sometimes I just feel down, but I'm continuing. I'm not going to stop because it's a good thing. It's a good thing. It keep your mind occupied. All right. So bless up yourself. And remember to put God first in everything that you are, everything that we do. Bless up yourself, and thanks again for watching. So many people are watching now. So many people are watching my videos. Thanks for watching, man. Bless up on yourself. I want to take care. Remember, make a comment. Say something. Say something. Okay? Bye-bye. And you take care. Love you guys. Bye.